Hello everyone, just a quick update. I thought I'd finally show some stuff as I have quite a bit to show. This is a landing page that I've created. Everything on here is subject to change. It's half complete, but here we go. So the name that I'm calling this project is Content Villain, your partner in crime for great content, or something similar. So we have the menu, which is subject to change. We have two buttons here, Get Started, which will actually load up the web application where you can start making content. Down here, it's basic sort of landing page stuff, very clean, very easy. This button needs fixing to go higher. These images need changing for something relevant. Again here, changing for something relevant. Need to add that. Need to change this for something relevant. Need to actually create the API documentation. You can also pull up the application by hitting here. So there's going to be buttons all over the place to pop it up. Let's go into how that looks. If we go into Get Started, again, this is all subject to change. I'm looking to try and discover a flow which is going to get the best possible chance of someone signing up. So this is what I've got so far. I hope you enjoy it and can see the potential. So it asks us if we are a new user. We're going to say yes. It's going to say awesome, welcome. Let's create a marketing idea for a company. This is completely up to anyone to put what they want. As you see, I was testing it with a Soho coffee. Let's do a test now with Pizza Hut for the sake of it, because it's easy. Children, family, young adults. What does this company do? Make pizza. They sell it in restaurants or as a delivery takeaway. Any keywords? We want pizza, cheese, thick crust, all the good stuff. What do we want to avoid? Probably hamburgers, fried chicken, Domino's, competitors, unhealthy would be great to avoid. So then we do generate content, and this is actually going to the live API at the moment, and it's going to generate it in real time using OpenAI's GPT-3. So you'll see here what happens now. The AI gets to work and we'll create a marketing idea. It take a few seconds to sprinkle the AI magic. This is all running in the background, and then it says the marketing idea has been generated. Buy up key phrases like best pizza near me and place an ad on a website which links back to the correct sites. Show pictures of the food and write about what makes your pizza better than the rest and why people should order from you. So that's pretty good. It's telling you something that you can do to get more money. So that's all good. And then we're going in for the sell, right? So this is where we're going for the data capture, and this is the stuff that we want. So we want people to give their email, and then we're giving them 10 more opportunities to use a generator like this on anything that they want. So this is carrot and stick, right? So we provide, if you provide us your email, we will give you 10 free credits. So I put in an email like that, I put in a name like that, and then I hit sign up. And what's going to happen now is we're going to go through the sign up flow where it says, awesome, Stuart, your API key is this. Please keep that safe as you'll need it if you use our API directly or start up a fresh chat. So this here is the password, key, whatever that you need to operate if you get disconnected from using this platform, or if you want to use the API through the documentation that we'll be providing very, very soon. So this is very cool. And this is pretty much as far as I've got at the moment. So we're pretty much there with the meat of actually getting an account up and live. Something else that I wanted to show was that we had this menu in the top right. And you'll see that this opens here. You can buy credits, you can re-authenticate, you can add a webhook, which I'm really excited about. What I'm going to have is you can add a webhook and add it to any individual module. And then whenever that module is used, the data will be sent to the webhook. So that's pretty cool. There's going to be a button to go to the main menu for generating content where you can choose exactly what content you want to generate. We're going to have this bespoke AI generator where people can say, hey, your modules are great, but I've got something really specific for my business and I'd want a really specific module generated specifically for me to use. Can you do that? And of course we can. So that's going to be something which is going to be really, really cool. And then I've got send feedback. That's what I've got at the moment. Happy to hear any feedback. Super excited to be working on this. I'll crack on for a few more hours now. It's 10 o'clock, but we'll keep going. And hopefully I can have some of you guys testing it with me on Monday onwards. And then pending I get the approval, we can roll this out very, very soon. So it's an exciting product launch we've got coming up. And I hope you're enjoying the updates of me building it like this. So yeah, stay tuned is what I'm going to say. And